We guide you through how to download music on iPhone quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to open Apple Music app on your iPhone and search for the song or album you want to download. If you already have a subscription, simply tap add button and tap the download icon so the music is saved directly to your device for online listening. If the song is already in your library, just go to Library, select the album or track, and tap the download icon to store it on your iPhone. Another option is downloading music files from websites or cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, then saving them to the Files app on your iPhone. After that, you can import the music to the Apple Music library using a computer with iTunes or the Finder on Mac so it's synced directly to your phone. Once the download is complete, open the Apple Music app, go to Library, and you'll be able to play your music anytime, even without internet.